look, we sold the GTR, came straight to the dealership. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're back at my boy's dealership. We were here last time. If you guys remember, we saw the Senna GTR. I think today we're gonna take it out on the street. So I had to pull up. They're gonna have a little photo shoot with it. And to see this thing driving on the street, it's gonna be ridiculous, bro. I cannot wait. I don't even think it's road legal, but the dealership has to shoot it, so they gotta take it outside somewhere. But there's a bunch of supercars. My boy Jacob told me pull up. There's a lot of good content, so we here again, bro. Huge shout out to TBTFW. I'm not sure if you guys know, but this showroom is like not open to the public. You cannot come in here, bro. But shout out to them for always letting us in here, getting some cool content for you guys, just so we can all manifest, you know what I mean? All of us, bro, you guys included. We all gonna be here one day cashing out one of these cars, I promise. And I told him too, I said, bro, today I sold the GTR. We gotta start finding a new car. These are kind of out the budget right now, but I need to find an R8, and I told them about it. Help me find an R8 or Huracan or something in that. Something that I've been looking for. Now they're moving all the cars around, which is probably the scariest job ever, because imagine you can hit another car, you can hit a pole, I don't know, hit a LaFerrari, imagine? That would be all bad. But this thing is sick. Look at this 765, guys. I love these freaking cars. The interior is fully orange. The headliner, the steering wheel, the dash, everything. But yeah, I'd be so scared to move the cars around right here. There's so much to mess up. This is also a 6-spec. I mean, I don't know. How do you guys feel about the red on orange? Like I said about the SVJ, I will take these cars in any color, bro. I'll take it in any spec. But the red and orange is pretty unique. I've never seen that before. I wonder who spec'd that out. I'll take it, bro, like I said. And then got that beautiful red Revolto. You guys seen the one that caught fire, I think in Miami? It caught fire. How does one of these catch fire already? They're brand new. Bet you the car had like a couple hundred miles and it already caught on fire. Burnt to the ground, it's done. But this thing is so nice. I love the color. If you guys remember, I had my GTR wrapped like a similar red, like a candy red. It's fire color. Red on red too, red interior. You guys might remember the one we saw in Dubai, the mint green Tiffany blue one. That one and this one, my two favorite Revoltos I've ever seen. I don't know which one I would take, to be honest. Guys, I'm trying to distract myself, all right? I'm a little sad that the GTR is gone, dude. But I wanted to come here, just distract myself a little bit, show some of the cars that we might get next. Maybe these, I don't know. What's up, G?
What's up?
Should have brought my money right now.
I know.
Could have bought a car today. How crazy is it that I sold the GTR today? Like, it doesn't feel real. I think tomorrow, or maybe in the next couple of days, it's really gonna start feeling real, bro. Once I don't see the GTR in the garage, I'm gonna be sad when I go in the garage and there's no GTR, bro. You just gotta find a replacement, dude, already, you know? I don't wanna waste no time, guys. I don't wanna waste the money either. I'm saving the money and I'm putting straight toward the next car. Look, guys, he's letting me start it and move it, which I am so scared to do, bro. I do not want to hit nothing. I just said it.
You know how to drive the third, right?
I don't know. All
right, so look, this is your emergency brake for your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
And then that's how you disengage it, and then to engage it.
All right.
But yeah, and then reverse driving.
Damn. Look how close I am to the 765. Oh my God, this is so scary, but let's do it. We gotta move it. Bro, I'm sweating. I just moved the Mclaren, guys. Oh my God. Look how close I was. That is crazy. Look at this one. Oh my God, dude. That is scary. Look at the lineup though. Like, this is ridiculous. It's not even funny, bro. LaFerrari, Senna GTR. I had a debate in the last video on which one I would take, guys. You guys comment down below. Which one would you guys take? It is so hard to pick. A lot of people are gonna pick the LaFerrari, but you guys might call me crazy, but I think I will take this. Really? Oh, she's gonna be so loud probably. Full exhaust on a LaFerrari, guys. Actually, it's kind of hard. I don't know which one I'll pick, bro. I only say this one because it's like a race car, dude. Imagine seeing it on the street. There's no way, dude. That sounded insane. I don't know, guys. Which one are you taking? This one's just, I don't know. Look at the tires. Like, come on, bro. This is a freaking race car. If you guys didn't watch the last video, I actually got to sit in it and I barely fit in the seat. It's a full race seat, racing steering wheel and everything. It doesn't even have a key. I think it has switches, like a race car. And it's so low. It's a big old lip. I don't know, I might take this over the LaFerrari. I'm sorry if anyone gets mad about that. Sit in the seat, Kevin. No way. I can't get in that. Bro, I barely fit in here. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the paddles. This car is beautiful, bro. It's like a piece of art. Look at the window. It's fiberglass. Oh my god. Look how you have to put gas in the Senna GTR, bro. There's no way. I guess you can't go to a gas station. You actually have to use this mechanism thing to fit it to here. Like, you can't put a regular, gas pump in there, I think. You have to use that. GT3 RS. It's actually Junior Aches, if you guys know who that is. This car's ridiculous. In any color, but this wrap looks sick on it, bro. I love all the logos and stuff. Really? Even the tire stickers are sick. Because like the car already looks like a race car, but with like this livery on it, it's fire. I don't really like tire stickers, but it looks good with this whole thing going on. I'm about to start the Senna. Oh my God. I'm taking it. I'm taking this over any of them. Really? Bro. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the steering is like, it's only this much steering. That's it. Look at it. You can't go full lock.
Whoa, that sounds insane.
Guys, it's happening, bro. To see this thing on the street is ridiculous. Oh my, look at the wing just moving. Oh. Bro. Oh my God. Dude. I would give up everything to drive that right now. Not even.
What would you do?
Bro, imagine having that, guys. Like, literally imagine just driving that for a day. Bro, this is gonna be ridiculous. People are gonna flip out. Look at the Tesla. He circled around like 3 times already. Wow. That is sick. It's literally like Batman, bro.
Shit's fast, bro.
Yeah, it's not street legal. Kevin, it's not, bro. It's not street legal.
But it's out of the street.
It's on the street, and we're about to drive it more. Watch.
Bro.
Imagine like pulling up to a car meet in this, guys, and imagine what F-Spot would say right now.
Everybody would trip out.
The F-Spot guy.
Yeah, spot, yeah.
If he's seen this thing right now in Rodeo, I can't believe this thing's on the street right now.
It's better than the Bugatti, bro.
I think so too. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think this might be better than Bugatti. Look how slammed it is in the front. I'd be so scared, bro. It has no lift either, so, bro, I don't even know how expensive that front lip is, but I'm pretty sure it's more than what I just got paid for my GTR. More than the GTR for sure. This whole lip is full carbon and it's huge. Huge front lip. No lift either? There's no way it's that low, bro.
Press walk. There you go.
Do we have to like open this at all?
How much does it take to fill up the whole tank?
I know, what is it? Special gas?
It's racing gas,
one
bro.
tank we should have enough
What
to
is
drive
that,
around a little
110?
bit, right?
I think, I don't know. Bro, I cannot believe we're taking this thing on the street. Oh, shit. Bro, that's like a dream to drive that thing on the street. Bro. street.
That's crazy.
You can't even drive this on the street, bro. This might be like the one and only time we'll see a Senna GTR drive on the street in Beverly Hills. Look what we came to pick up. Pick up that armored truck right now. Bulletproof. Bro, no traction. Look at this, bro. We're in real life GTA right now. Bro, we're in real life GTA, I swear. Now we're in a COLTON. I don't even know what's happening right now. Bro, this looks ridiculous. Tell me it's not GTA, bro. Like, for real, bro. This is a GTA lobby, bro. Oh, for sure you get out that car and you're shaking like this, I bet. With adrenaline. The Bronco.
That shit looks like it's ready for war.
Okay. But what's going on back there, bro? Bro, he's freaking going crazy. She looks like a movie, bro. Bro, I want to drive that. We made it to Rodeo now. Just to see this car on Rodeo was crazy. But did you guys see how he was driving it? My boy was going crazy, dude. That's how you're supposed to drive the Senna GTR, bro. I swear, if I had it, I'd be driving like that too. That's the only way to drive it. I would not know how to drive normal, to be honest. And then we got a big ol', what do they have it in GTA? It's called the Insurgent, huh? Tell me this doesn't look like a GTA lobby right now. Look at the helicopter. Oh, that's the police helicopter. Hopefully they didn't see any of that driving, bro. Or the fact that it's not street legal. This is everybody's reaction. Bro, more people recording it. Everyone's tripping out.
Yeah, like they've never seen that car in their life. Stop in traffic.
Nice car, bro.
Thanks, bro. Just all right, now we're hopping into this thing. Oh my god, bro.
Alright.
Damn, she got stars in it?
The key?
There's no way.
I have the key? Yeah, dude.
Bro, this shit actually really nice on the inside.
Where are we going?
I'll text you. Hold on 1 sec, they're recording.
Oh, Kevin. Crazy? Wait, did you film it or no?
Yeah, I did.
Or it was on live?
Nah, I filmed it.
Can we put it in the vlog?
Yeah.
Guys, Kevin went for a ride in it, look. You're so fast?
Insane, yeah. Bro, this shit is insane. It's so fast. It picks up like.
I would pay money to drive it, like right now.
God, I would demolish that car.
I know you would.
Me and you, we both would.
I think Kevin would destroy the transmission. Before we leave, starting the Revolto. I think it's on. Oh shoot! That should just start out of nowhere.
The emergency brakes right there. You gotta release that and paddle to put it in gear.
Bro, this thing is like a freaking spaceship. Look, V12. Got the screen over here too, so the passenger can see how fast I'm going. Oh my god. Damn, this thing feels brand freaking new. Woo. Wow, this is so sick. Does this count as me driving a Revolto?
You fit this car.
I know, bro. I need this. Goals.
And just turn it off.
Bro, this is crazy. Does that count or no?
Let me get the door for you, sir.
Thanks, peasant. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you can get the door yourself.
Bro, that's just how that Revolto's making me feel, you know what I mean? Look at that. Revolto. So sick, bro. Like, honestly, this is the perfect spec. Alcantara, red everywhere. Red on the doors, on the seats, on the dash. And they got like that matte carbon, which is fire. I actually love this way better than like glossy carbon. So sick. I actually really want one of these. All right, maybe this might be the goal, not the SVJ. Today was wild. Cannot believe anything we did tonight. Like driving the freaking Senna GTR on the street. I don't know what other YouTuber was able to film that. Like, that might be one of the first on YouTube. Being a Senna GTR all around Beverly Hills, that was actually crazy. I did not think he was gonna be driving it like that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know how you win it. If you guys did like the video, smash the like button right now. I need the most likes we've ever got on this video, guys. Not only because we sold the GTR, but because of that other GTR on the street. Bro, from selling the GTR this morning to all of this, it's been a very long day, but this might be one of the most craziest vlogs ever. All right, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.